Welcome to Amazon through a seller's lens. In this video, we're going to go over Amazon's search engine results page, also known as the SERPs, the Amazon product listing page, and also the store and storefront. The first thing you want to do when you get to Amazon.com is make sure your delivered to address is a US zip code. The reason for that is when you're shopping on Amazon.com, not all the products ship to Canada. So you want to make sure you're seeing all the products that are available. Next, you typically go to the search bar and type in the name of the product. And you can see that when I type in blanket basket, Amazon gives me suggestions as to other products that people have looked for when they typed in these two keywords. So we're going to go ahead and search for blanket basket. Once you get to the SERPs page, there's around 60 listings on each page. And the first thing you're going to see is a sponsored brand ad. There's different types of advertisements on Amazon, and we'll get to that in future lessons. But I just wanted to point out that this is an ad. And you can see that it's an ad because it says sponsored right here. Now, a little below that, there's a sponsored product section. Now these are again ads, but they're a different type of ad called sponsored product ads. This listing over here is the first organic listing on this page. It's also the best seller in the nursery and baskets category. This product is the second organic listing and also Amazon's choice for the keyword blanket basket. This is the third, fourth, fifth, and so on. This section is also sponsored product ads. You can see it right up here. This section shows Amazon's choice for different keywords. As we saw earlier, this product is Amazon's choice for blanket basket. This product is Amazon's choice for woven basket, and this is Amazon's choice for blanket basket with lid. This is the editorial recommendation section, and there's ways to get featured in this section, but we're not going to go through that right now. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a sponsored video ad. And over here, there's sponsored display ads. When you're on the SERPs page, I want all of you guys to be thinking like a buyer. For example, let's say I was in the market to buy a blanket basket. What are some of the things I would be looking for? Obviously, this product is a design product, so I want the product to match my home decor. The colors would be important. Another thing I might look for is the size of the product. So these are all things I would consider when I'm buying a blanket basket. And because it's a design product, I would be willing to scroll lower down the page to see all the different designs that are available, as opposed to a product that's not a design product. For example, a USB charger. I probably wouldn't scroll that far down if I'm looking for a USB charger. Now, once I find a product I like, another thing I would look at is probably the reviews. I mean, how good is the product? This product has 4.8 out of 5 stars and it has almost 36,000 reviews. So I can be pretty confident if I buy this product, it's going to be a good product. But let's say I like this product better and I look at the reviews and it has 411 reviews and it's at 4.8 out of 5 star. Would that deter me from buying this product over this product because it has 36,000 reviews? Probably not. If I like this design better, this product still has 411 reviews, which is a significant amount, and the rating is at 4.8. So I can be pretty confident that this product is also a good product. Another thing I would look at as a buyer is the title of the product. The title of the product can give me specifications for the product. For example, this product is 23.6 inches by 14.1 inches, and this one is 21.7 inches by 13.8 inches. And obviously, guys, when you're shopping for a product, price is critical. Prime, Amazon has made it the standard to deliver products quickly. Would you rather wait 2 weeks for a product or get your product within 2 days? Another thing that would stick out to me as a buyer is the Amazon's Choice badge or the bestseller badge. This gives you credibility for your product. On top of that, coupons is another way of standing out on the SERPs page. Once you click into the listing, the first thing you notice is the images. You can scroll over the images to see it in more detail. Click on the images to see all the images for this product. Over here, we can see the videos. This section is the title. Here it shows that this product is Amazon's choice for blanket basket. The reviews are over here. Anything above a 4.8 will show as a 5-star, and anything between 4.3 to 4.7 will show as a 4.5-star. Here's all the variations for this product. And this section is the bullets. You can get more information about the product. This section over here is the buy box. Here you can see the ratings by feature, and as we scroll down, you're going to see a lot of sponsored ads. This is the frequently bought together section, meaning people who have bought this product have bought this product along with it sometimes. This section is known as the A+ content, or EBC, which stands for Enhanced Brand Content. In this section, you can have larger images of your product and showcase it better. Here you can see more details about the product. The ASIN is a unique number that every product on Amazon has. The bestseller rank, also known as BSR, is the rank this product has in the baby category, meaning this product is the 344th best-selling product in the baby category, and it's number 1 in the subcategory of nursery bins and boxes. Here you can see the weight of the product, the dimensions. Here, people can ask questions about your product, and either yourself or other customers of your product can answer these questions. Here you can see all the reviews that were left for your product, and these are the images that customers have left with the reviews. On Amazon, you can either leave a star rating or leave a full review. And if you click on any of these stars, it'll show you those reviews. If you click on any of these ratings, you can filter the reviews by the rating. Now we're going to scroll all the way back up to the top. And in the buy box, you can see that this product ships from Amazon and is sold by Indress.me, meaning this is a FBA product. And we're going to go ahead and click on Indress.me. And now here we can see the rating that this brand has, not the product, but this brand. And if we scroll a little lower, we can see that this seller is a Chinese seller. Their business address is in China. Now we can click into this storefront to see exactly what this brand is selling, other products that this brand is selling. You can see that this brand sells under 2 different brands, Indress.me and GoodPick. And you scroll down and you can see all the other products that this brand is selling, and looks like all they sell is blanket baskets or products that are very similar to blanket baskets. Now there's one more thing I want to show you. So we're going to go back to the listing, and right here under the title, you can visit the Indress.me store. This is kind of like your website on Amazon. You can see you can lay it out a lot nicer. So this is Amazon through a seller's lens. I'll see you guys in the next video.